In order to get Bagon in Pokemon Emerald, make your way to Rustboro City. You're also going to need a Pokemon that knows Surf and Waterfall, so that means you will need 8 badges in order to do this. But anyways, once you're here in Rustboro City, keep making your way north until you reach Route 115. Okay, so then eventually you should be able to go ahead and leave the city, and then here we are in Route 115, and then afterwards keep on going up, then make your way to the left, and then eventually you're going to notice that we have like this beach area right over here, and all you want to do is you want to keep on advancing here. Then be sure to go ahead and surf till you get to the other side. There you go. And then afterwards, you're going to be brought to a location right over here. Then climb up these stairs, and then it is going to take you to a cave system where you're able to go ahead and find Bagon. Now, one thing to note is that this is a pretty intricate and somewhat confusing cave system, so you really want to go ahead and pay attention. So here we are in Meteor Falls, and then you want to first of all make your way up here, go to the left, climb up these stairs. All right, and then you'll notice that we'll get our first patch of water, and that's where you want to go ahead and use Surf. So get your Pokemon, and then afterwards, you'll notice that we'll get this waterfall. So then you need to go ahead and use Waterfall. All right, then once you're up here, all you want to do is you want to enter this room right over here. Then afterwards, make your way to the right, and then you will find this ladder, and you want to go inside the ladder. Then once you're here, you want to go to the left. Then you want to go upwards. And you'll notice that we'll get another ladder, which you should be able to see. Yep, here it is. Okay, then once you're in this room, all you want to do is you want to walk past the couple. So if you see like there's an old couple, you're on the right track. You want to go up here. Then you want to stop right here. Do not go all the way to the right. You need to be on the left side, right over here, of like these purple ledges. And then you want to go ahead and keep on falling down until we get to this one. Do not go down the other ledge, otherwise that is not going to work and you're basically going to be stuck. So you need to make sure you stop right over here, and then as you're able to tell, we are going to get another ladder, so make sure to make your way there. Then afterwards you want to come down here, and then you want to surf one more time, so go ahead and do that. Then go up here. Then finally, all we need to do is we need to enter this room, and this is the only room in the game where we're able to go ahead and find Bagon. So you have a 1 in 4 chance of finding him right over here, so thankfully the chances are pretty good. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.